Hello, good morning guys. Maligpit naman ko sa amon na tululugan sa bata o gabi guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Like and subscribe guys. Like and share. Good morning.
Kasha, send first. Send first before I will show. No, you're the one who is lying. Hindi mo ako maisahan. Send first, Cassius. Maybe you're a liar. Oh, send here, Cassius. Send here. Send super shot here. If you really have a money, send super shot. If you don't send super shot, I won't believe you. Like and subscribe everyone. Double tap this video. Yes, he is fake. Cassius, you're fake. You have no super shot. Okay, proof first. I need proof. Yeah, super shot. Send first super shot. And I will believe you. Hello Sarah. Welcome to my channel, Sarah. Hello Joao Batista. See, you have no money, Cassius. You have no money. Hello, Matt Amber. Good morning, Matt Amber. Hello. Double tap your screen, guys. Double tap. Like and subscribe. Please subscribe.
Thank you,
to
Honey
my
Mike,
channel.
for deleting
Hello,
bad
Matt
comment.
Amber.
Love you so much, Honey Mike. Hello, Dai. What, Dai DC? What is that? Why you, you're deleting your comment?
Yes. Hello, Antoine. What is your name? My name is Michelle. I'm from Philippines. I don't care about you, Cassius. You don't have money. You are poor, Cassius. You cannot send super chat. Hello.
Okay, Dai DC. Okay, enjoy.
And you don't have money, Cassius. Ha ha ha.
What time now, Dai DC, in your place? You did
I'm
not
not
sleep?
recorded because I'm here in my country.
What
Okay.
time now,
I
Dai
want
DC?
money. Hello, Matanver. Hello,
soft drinks ya.
Nangit eh.
Pero mag lingin-lingin ang ulo. Magdigwa-digwa na acid.
Feeling mo, bawa ko sa
Uy, Sir Booker, good morning. How are you, Sir Booker? I go to sleep now. Okay, I understand. Honey Mike, I understand. Love you so much, Honey Mike. Okay, love you so much. Hope you had a wonderful day. Yes, Sir Booker. I am good. I'm fine, Sir Booker. I'll wake up 6 a.m. Good morning, Sir Booker. Wait for a while, guys. I need to message to my husband in Messenger. Bye-bye, guys.